This is the part 5 of memory-based ASRB NET Prelims and STO 2021 question paper on plant pathology. Today I am going to discuss 10 different questions. So the first question is function of condenser in microscope is, the correct answer is focus light onto the sample that are present on the stage. Next question is enzyme used in lamp assay is, the answer is BST polymerase. And the role of BST polymerase in the lamp assay is to catalyze the DNA amplification process by synthesizing new DNA strand using the target DNA as a template. Followed by this enzyme, that is BST polymerase, is an important component in the lamp reaction because it possesses specific properties that makes the assay robust and efficient under isothermal condition. Another question is pioneer in fungal avirulent gene cloning characterization or identification is D.E. Witt. Another question is the nitrogen induced susceptibility is seen in which disease? The correct answer is rice blast. The symptom of rice blast is expressed as lip blast, node blast or nodal blast as well as neck blast. In case of lip blast, the lesion starts at small water-soaked bluish-green specks, soon enlarge and form characteristic spindle-shaped spot with gray center and dark brown margin. And severely infected nursery and the field show a burnt appearance. In case of node blast or nodal blast, so it infects generally nodes of the rice plant, where we can see the irregular black areas that encircle the nodes, which is very prominent in the field conditions. The affected nodes may break up and all the plant parts above the infected nodes may die. That's why we used to term it as nodal blast or node blast. Followed by neck blast. At the flowering emergence, the fungus responsible for rice blast, that is Magnabor, the Grisia, it attacked the peduncle, which is engirdled, and the lesions turn to brownish black. This stage of infection is commonly referred to as rotten neck or the neck rot or neck blast or panicle blast. In early neck infection, grain filling does not occur and the panicle remains erect like a dead heart caused by a stem borer. But in case of late infection, partial grain filling is generally occur. The next question is lineage of mycology. The correct answer is E.M. Fries, who wrote the book Systema Mycologicum. Fries also published 3 volumes of Systema Mycologium for the nomenclature of Hymenomycetes. Persoon and Fries were the first time introduced binomial system of nomenclature to classify the fungal organism. Next question is on turkey X disease in England is caused due to, the correct answer is aflatoxin. Next question is rust that lacks iridospores in the life cycle are known as demicyclic rust. So next question is violent or forcibly discharged spores are known as ballistospores. Another question is that hair-like flagella, which is a typical characteristics of oomycetes, is called whiplash. Means a flagellum with long, thick, rigid basal portion with a short, narrow, flexible upper portion. It gives a whip-like appearance to flagellum. Another type of flagellum is there, that is called your tinsel type flagellum. It is a feathery structure consisting of a long rachis with lateral hairs like projections called mystigonemes or flimars on all sides along with its anterior length. Another question is on the disease caused by Oomycota fungus, that is Albugo candida, is known as wheat rust. The symptom of wheat rust is that both local and systemic infection is generally observed if this organism attack that plant, that is host plant. In case of local infection, isolated white, creamy yellow, raised pustules appears on undersurface of the leaves which later coalesces to form patches. Systemic infection by this organism, that is your Albugo candida, it causes hypertrophy as well as hyperplasia. Ultimately, its result in the malformation and distortion of the floral parts. An entire inflorescence is replaced by swollen sterile structure and which generally termed as stag head. Thank you and please be in touch with this channel.